Can I create multiple Google Ads account? Yes, you can create as many accounts as you like, but if you are asking this question to run the ads to the same website to that same landing page, then be very careful, because you will most probably get suspended. And the reason being is, let's go back to Google and I'll explain. Switch this off. So these are the 3 ads at that moment which Google is showing. Sometimes they will show 4 ads, and then there will be some ads at the bottom of the page as well. There you go, right? What you will never see is the same website or advertisers having 2 ads over here. Never. And you may be surprised to hear this, but you will never find that. It will always be different advertisers. So if you got 2 accounts and you're running them to the same website, potentially both of them could show up over here, which it won't, but I'm just giving you as an example. So you are violating Google's policies, because you are trying to gain an unfair advantage by having multiple ads on Google. If you got different businesses, different websites, then by all means you can have different Google Ads account to keep all the budgets and the locations separate, or you might have different branches in different cities, so you want to keep all their ads and the budgets and the advertising budgets separate. Then by all means you can have multiple accounts. But again, I say it again, never run multiple ads to the same website through different accounts.